The studio! Scribble Scrubbie Pets! And here for the big speech that will solve every problem ever, the King of the World!
I know. Looks like Scooter's got the hiccups.
Say no more, Peach. I've got a surefire cure that's full of surprises.
Who are you talking to?
Surprise! Hiccups all gone? Huh. Well, maybe you should get a drink from the water cooler. Surprise! I give up.
Let me guess. You're Makena and a cake too? Nope.
Surprise! All right, boys, pack 'em up. Scooter, I think you should dress as a lobster and juggle 16 pies.
How will this cure my hiccups?
You have hiccups?
Why don't we harness the power of your hiccups to take over the world? We did it! Ugh, we lost it.
Forget about those quack cures, Scooter! What you need is Missy's Hearty Healthy Hiccup Healing Health Smoothies! They even rotate!
Rotating platform not included.
No. Pick me. My idea's the best.
Are the best.
The studio!
I have the solution. Just let me find a cake to hide in.
Enough! It's time to take charge! Thanks, everyone. Hey, my hiccups are gone!
Looks like you just had to take charge, Scooter. Muy bien.
There's only one thing left to do.
What's that?
Surprise!
I'm coming, Missy!
Scribble Scrubbies Pets!
Orion, Missy, ready to film our seaside romantic comedy?
As ready as this sandcastle is waterproof.
Everyone into costume.
You had me at cello.
Moving on to the final scene. Missy's about to get on a plane, and Orion has to catch her before she leaves. Forever.
Peach, the airport is on land, and this scene is all running. How's Orion going to catch Missy?
You're right. He's a swimmer, not a runner. Oh, what are we gonna do?
I can play Orion.
What if we turn him into a pogo stick? He can bounce his way there!
I think if we use a complex system of pulleys and stunt wires, we can...
Don't worry, everybody. I got this. There's more than one way to catch a flight. Peach, get the cameras ready. I'm coming, Missy! Excuse me. Missy!
Oh, Ryan?
What did we miss?
He made it!
My darling, I couldn't let you leave without giving you this bouquet of seaweed. I picked it myself.
I love it! Thank you! Ow!
Surprise?
Makena, you ignored my orders.
Go.
Scribble Scrubie Pets!
Ooh, my new comedy show is ready to go! It's bold, original.
Original? Listen, Makena, I don't want to see any weird creativity out there. I want a plain, ordinary show, just like my favorite food, lettuce. No buts! I'm the head of this studio, and what I say goes.
Remember, the boss is coming over for dinner tonight.
And I'm early.
And I burned the nut roast.
You love it. Wait till they see what's coming next.
Why are we suddenly in a big city cafe? This is getting too weird.
Presenting my newest coffee creation, the Makena Mochaccino.
This isn't coffee, it's mustard.
And this isn't a coffee shop, it's an office Christmas party! Cha-cha-cha!
What are you doing, Makena? I said I wanted plain, ordinary lettuce TV.
Right, like a space hospital with...
No hospitals, nothing in space. Just set the whole thing in a lettuce. I mean office.
What's behind this door? It's... the photocopy room, just like the sign says.
Oh.
Just kidding! It's actually a secret hospital room in space! Your funny bone needs 2 cc's of custard pie.
Makena, you ignored my orders.
Go.
And I couldn't be more thrilled! Your show is testing through the roof! What a great idea of mine to pack it with so many goofy ideas! Terrific!
I love teamwork. What? Oh no! How do I steer this thing? Help!
Scribble Scrubbie Pets.
Follow my voice, everyone! Your team building day of fun awaits! Whoa! I've brought you to the most team-orific place I can think of. Come on, Pajama Land. Remove your blindfolds.
A water park?
They have the tallest, most loop-de-loop slide team building exercises in all the land.
I've got the team building books here. Does anyone have a hairdryer?
Let the team building begin! First lesson of being a good team, work together to hit your targets. Yes! Good! Teamwork, Tuma! The second lesson of being a good team, Screamwork makes the teamwork! This way, guys! The third lesson of team building starts soon!
Makena, none of this feels like actual team building. Nada.
What? Are you saying I brought you here just because I wanted to go to a water park?
It does seem a little...
Talk about teamwork while I'm gone! I love teamwork. What? Oh no! How do I steer this thing? Help! Well, I think we've all learned, nothing. Help! Help!
It's Makena!
Don't worry, Makena. Ocean rescue is on the way. Team, I think we're gonna need these.
You guys saved my life. Thank you. Now can we go to Pajama Land?
Wait a second. Makena, you trapped yourself on purpose to get us to work as a team. ¿Verdad?
Huh? Oh, right, sure. Now let's never do it again. Huh? Finally, Boone's on the outside!
Something weird's happening with these filters.
Octopus brains.
Oh boy.
Scribble Scrubbies Pets.
With 3 heads, I could wear 3 hats!
Oh, this is amazing. I can't believe you've never built an app before, Ollie.
You know, I can't think of one single dog in this room who's a better app builder than you. Not one.
Oh, come on!
Nice angry face filter, Ollie!
I'll show them who's the best at building apps. Ollie! I mean, me!
Huh? What?
It's my new filter app. Now, I'm not saying it's better than Ollie's. Oh, wait, yes, I am. Bye.
Finally, Boone's on the outside!
Something weird's happening with these filters.
Octopus brains.
Oh boy.
Say cheese, Clyde. Big smile, Talib. Nice moves, Maddie. Who's the best at making apps? Ollie! I mean me! So, how do you like the new app? Uh-oh! I can fix this! No, I can't! I need Ollie's help! Ah!
Balloons! Harmless balloons!
Does this thing have a cactus filter? Aha! You gotta help me fix this app, Ollie!
Let's see. Yep, here's your problem. You've got it set to make real life.
Ollie, you saved us! You really are the...
You're not taking this one.
We're in love!